Are you a small business's owner struggling with the complexities of payroll? From calculating taxes to ensuring compliances, payroll can feel very overwhelming, especially when you are trying to focus on growing your business. Welcome to Patriot Payroll, the ultimate solution for effortless payroll processing and tax management. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Patriot Payroll to set up payrolls, process payments, manage taxes, and generate report. So this video is not a complete guide. This video is just an introduction video, right? Obviously, I will try to explain as much as possible. So by the end of this video, you will completely know how to use Patriot Payroll, run payroll in just a few clicks. So before we get started here, let's talk about the pricing because this is going to play a major role. Now here you can see, so there's a two type, there's accounting softwares and there's a payroll softwares, right? Now here you can see there's a separate charges for each section has a two plan. You can come to this official website and you can compare accounting softwares, and you can, as well as you can compare payroll softwares, right? And you can see here view partner pricing and everything, or you can just pause this video and you can just read it by yourself. Now, as we know, Patriot Payroll is a cloud-based payroll solution designed specifically for small businesses. Now, there are very four things which I really like about this. Let me show you up. The first one is automated tax calculation. You can automatically calculate federal, states, and local payrolls. You can, there's a direct deposit, compliance support, there's a reporting tools. Obviously, we'll talk deeply into this, right? So first of all, to get started, you have to come to this Google and search for Patriot software. Automatically, you will land up here and navigate to the payroll section. Now here, just go and click on create account, right? Here you can see. Now it will ask you to start your trial. So you just need to enter your first name and fill up all this information. Make sure it's correct. And if you have a promo code, then you can use a promo code here. Now just for promo code, there's a promo code given in the description box and there's a link given in the description box. Please use that link. That's an affiliate link. You will get a discount, as well as it's a way to support our channel here. Right, now once I fill up all this information, just go and click on start my trial. Now, once you will receive an email, just go and click on confirm and continue. Now here you can see, yes, I will use my existing login information. No, I want to create a new login. So click on I want to create a new login. Now here you have to just write your name here, last name and username, right? So I'll just write my username here, right? And you can create a username and this is a password. So let me just create a password here. Now you have to confirm the password, right? And click on register and login. I will save this info. Now this is a two-factor authentication. So we can use email, right? So email addresses, let me paste this up. Now click on continue. Now copy the code and paste it here. Now click on confirm. Now we are all set to do. Now we can just go to back to Patriot software here. Just go to Google and search for Patriot, right? And click on this first link here. Now you will get a login info. So let me just, on the top right side corner, you can go and click on login. Now the username and the password and click on login. So this is how you can create an account. Now you have to choose an option for now. Just verify this up. By the way, you have to set up two authenticator factor here, right? Just for security. One is my email and one is authenticator app. Now I will just go and click and continue. And by the way, if you don't set a two security way, you won't be able to log in into your account. Now, as you can see here, I have to just go and click on acknowledge, click on continue. Now here you have to choose any one of the plan, right? So for example, you can choose accounting. By the way, there's accounting and there's a payroll. So for example, if I just go for basic payroll, right, this is for the time and attendance. So this is an add-on. So you can just go and click on add-on. For example, if you want for the HRs, you can take for HR, as well as there's an option for time and attendance. You can also choose it, right? Now I will just go and click on continue. Now here it will ask my company info. So I have to fill up all this information right now. Now, as you can see here, this is the payroll settings. Now this is a dashboard, right? Now, first of all, we just need to set everything here. Now I will just go and click on start payroll wizard, right? Now here you have to set your location. This is the email and everything. Just go and click on yes. Do you have a, and they will ask you something here. This is a work location. So right now I have added only one of the work location. By the way, this is not a original work location. This is just a demo to show you guys, right? Now here you can say, would you like to add another work location? No. Does your company use departments? Yes. So you can organize employees, you can organize, your top leaders of your company, right? And we have a 31 days left in our trial, right? So description. So for example, let's say I will just write here manager, right? And it's only from this location he is working out. I will just go and click on save, right? Now this way you can just create department. For example, I will just write here social media, right? And select all, click on save. So it's completely up to you how you want to add. I will just go and click on continue, right? Now this is a payroll setting. So are there any employer payroll taxes that your business is not required to pay? So my business is tax exempt, right? I'm just choosing a normal option. In your case, I'm sure your business required to pay employers payroll taxes. So just go and click on continue. They will ask for some kind of documents. So you need to fulfill this everything, right? Now here I'm choosing a normal another option where I don't have to upload a document because this is just a demo video. In your case, make sure you choose this option wisely. If you don't know about this, then you can consult a professional or let us know in the comment box. We will try to help you there. Now this is a tax identification number. So this is a federal income tax here, right? So let me show. If I don't have any option, then you can see here, right? Show me how to get. So it will help you that how you can get the tax identification number, that is a TIN, right? And you have to fill up all this information, then only you will able to move to the next one. Right now I don't have this information, so I will skip this, right? State unemployment rate assessment. So you have to consult a professional if you really don't have any idea. Now this is a custom working hours, right? So for example, there's a regular, overtime, double time, holiday, and there's a lot of options. You can create a new working hour as per your company requirement and how your company deal with it. Now I will just go and click on continue. Now this is a bonuses and everything. So if your company gives bonuses to your employees regularly, then you can choose this with this commission and everything. You can also on and you can always have this option to edit. Now, does your company need to add employee deduction? If yes, then just go and click on yes, right? Now add company level deductions. So you can add this. For example, this is a deduction type. This determines how the deduction is taxed. So for more information, you can see here, right? Now this is a deduction description, this is a method and everything, pay day limit and monthly limit, annual limit and everything. You can set each and everything, right? So I'll just go and click on continue. Obviously I need to fill this information because it's kind of important. Now here description, I will just write here test, right? The method is fixed dollar, and just go and click on continue. Right, do you need to add any more company level deductions? Right now I don't want to do this, but in your case, if you want to do, you're always free to do this. Does your company offers contributions? And if you yes, then you can choose yes. Does your workers compensation code? So right now I'm choosing a no because I just want to show you all this option, and you can pause the video and you can just have a detailed guide. How will you be paying your employees? So with handwritten printed checks, with direct deposit, right? So you can see here when I choose direct deposit, we offers 4-day AGH timing, right? Now here you must process payroll at least 4 days before the payday. So it's completely up to you how your HR does this. Now this is identification, right? Now here you have to fill up all this information. For example, I'm the owner, right? I will just write my name, right? Now I have to fill up all this, my address, location and everything, and click on save and continue. I cannot show you this, but let's say I will just try to fill up this right now, and I will pause this video and click on save and continue. As you can see here, identity verification hasn't failed. It means that you need to put all this information very accurately, very correctly, and then you can just click on try again or upload a license right now. Now this is the entire process. Now once you upload your photo identification, right, then you have to add your employees and review setup, and this is a payroll history. Now this is the exact, so this is how you can set this up. Now that everything is set up, let's say you can walk through how to run payroll in Patriot. So for example, you can review employees information, you can calculate taxes, you can process payment, you can submit payroll, right? Now one of the Patriot payroll standout feature, its ability to handle payroll taxes and compliances very seamlessly. You can automate tax filing, you can track tax payment, you can access record, there's a real-time support, right? So this tool ensure you stay compliant and avoid cost penalties. Now finally, Patriot Payroll provides powerful reporting tool to help you analyze payroll data and make informed decisions. Like there's a key matrix to track, for example, total payroll expense over time. You can employ earning and deductions, tax liabilities, and payment. You can use these insights to identify trends and manage business and budgets and prepare for audit and tax seasons. You can also export report in various formats of presentations or record keeping. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to run payroll with Patriot Payroll. Whether you are setting up employees profile, processing payments, or managing taxes, you can do it very easily. If you found this information really useful, make sure to let me know in the comment section and give us a like, and please use the link which is given in the description. Thanks for watching this video.